So let us see how to remove the duplicate records in Python by using Pandas. Okay. First, we need to import Pandas as PD. So this is the packages which is used for your to remove the duplications of records. Okay. Pandas is nothing but the library which is present in your Python. It is an open source library, and we are creating an PD as PD as an alias ID. Okay. So first we are importing the necessary packages to work on it. So first step is to import it. After importing, I'm just creating a sample of dataset as a dictionary. Okay. You can see I just creating a sample of dataset to work to remove the duplicate records. First, with a dictionary is nothing but a key value pass, right? So it consists of key of ID, name, age, and city. Okay, so ID number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. ID number is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. With the name as alias, Bob, alias, David, and Bob. Okay, age is 25, 30, 25, 35, and 30. Okay, then city is New York, Chicago, New York, Miami, and Chicago. Okay, these are the dictionary which is being created. Let me run the particular step. Next, now I'm creating a dictionary into a data frame. Okay, so I'm just passing the dictionary. I'm just converting this dictionary into a data frame. Where data frame? So this is data frame is nothing but the data structure which is available in your Pandas, which is two-dimensional, which creates rows and columns. Okay. So once it has been created, I'm printing with the original data as DF. DF is nothing but it stores my data frame. Okay. Let me run it. Okay. You can see it shows me a rows and columns with ID, name, age, and city, or the column name with the system generated index values to it. If I want to remove the duplicates, you can see the duplicates over here. So to have duplicates purposefully, I'm just adding a duplicate so that you can see how to remove the duplicates, right? So from this particular data frame, you can see what are the duplicate is there. So alias is a duplicate and Bob is also a duplicate record, right? If I want to remove that particular record, I can make use of drop duplicates function. Okay, so I'm just creating a variable name called as df underscore no duplicate subset with df. Df is nothing but the data frame which is being created by me, right? From df, drop duplicates. Okay, drop duplicate function will help us to drop the duplicate values. Okay, what will be the subset of it? From name and the age column. If I want to specify the column name, then I can use my subset parameter to tell what is the column name is. Okay, so that what it will do is, okay, I'll just run it. You can see the output of it. Okay, you can see the output. It shows the data frame after removing. So this is my alias and the Bob or the thing which is being there for me as a duplicate value. Okay, depending upon the name and the age, it is being dropped. Okay, so this is a way to drop a duplicate values in your Pandas and make use of your drop duplicate functions. Okay, thank you guys.